Hi, I'm Becky, Very's nail technician. Whether you're getting ready for a big night out with the girls or you've a special family gathering to go to, I'll show you how to make your nails look amazing for the occasion. First, prep the nails by pushing back the cuticles and filing them. Then apply a base coat to protect the nails from staining. Using a nude polish, paint the nails with 2 even coats, leaving out the ring finger. Paint the ring fingers with 2 coats of gold polish. With a dotting tool and gold polish, place random sized dots onto the nude nails. These don't need to be perfectly round. Next, use a dotting tool and black polish to create the leopard print design across all 8 of the nude nails, adding extra gold dots if necessary. Allow to dry before applying a top coat and finish with dry drops. And there you have it, glam nails for a glam night out.